Good evening, friend. As we transition into this new day, let's take a moment to cultivate peace and clarity within ourselves. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle and relax into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes gently if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Breathe in deeply again, feeling your lungs expand fully, and let it go, releasing any tension. With each breath, allow yourself to feel more present, more connected to this moment. Inhale calmness. And exhale any lingering worries or distractions. As you continue to breathe, visualize the golden light of the morning sun gently warming your body. Imagine this light slowly filling your entire being, bringing with it a sense of renewal and fresh energy. With each breath in, feel the warmth of the sun filling you with positivity and hope. As you exhale, release any heaviness or negativity that you may have carried from yesterday. Now, let's focus on the intention for your day. Silently repeat to yourself, I welcome this day with open arms. I embrace new possibilities. Picture your day unfolding in front of you, like a beautiful path lined with flowers. Each step you take is filled with purpose and joy. As you walk along this path in your mind, notice the colors of the flowers, the softness of the grass beneath your feet, and the gentle breeze that caresses your skin. Feel the support of the earth beneath you as it holds you steady and strong. Know that you are grounded and safe as you move into this new day. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. With each breath, feel your energy growing, your mind becoming clearer. You are ready to embrace all that today will bring. Let's take a moment to express gratitude for this day ahead. Think of 3 things you are grateful for, big or small. As you hold these gratitude seeds in your heart, allow them to blossom, filling you with warmth and appreciation. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Welcome this new day with a sense of peace and excitement. You are ready, friend. Enjoy every moment.